Hello, I'm Lesley Parr and I'm the author of this book, Where the River Takes Us. It's an adventurous quest set in a South Wales valley in 1974, and I'm going to read to you just a little bit from chapter 1. This place, this scruffy, gravelly patch of land covered in rubble and pallets and anything else that can be dragged here, is where most of us Ponty kids hang around after school. I know everyone and everyone knows me. I never used to mind that because I never really thought about it, but it's different now because everything's different now. I try to perfect a wheelie, hit a stone, lose my balance and land on my side, wheels spinning, just as Catherine comes over the top of the hill, hood up against the wind. She runs over. "Jason, you okay?" "Yeah," I say, rubbing my arm. "Good job my parka's nice and thick." "If you want to ride on one wheel, why don't you get a unicycle?" she asks, holding out a hand, but I get up without taking it. "Choppers are cooler," I grin, checking my bike for scratches. All around us, kids shout and play. Some younger ones run past with their coats buttoned at the top like capes, yelling the Batman theme tune. On a tower of old car tyres, a girl's pretending to be a teacher, bossing her friends around. Most of us older ones are on bikes. It's better than the park. That's got flower beds and benches and grown-ups. This is just for us. This is ours.